How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. You all are safe at home. Welcome to Kamla online learning classes today. I hope you all know that how videos are coming, how teacher is explaining, you are understanding. If you are having any doubt, you can ask your parents today. First look at the board. Myself, you all know me. Yes, what is my name? My name is Mrs. Fatima. Class LKG. Subject numeracy. Numeracy means math subject we are doing. Okay, this is the part 9. Page number 65. Page number 65, part 9. Ninth part. See, we are starting today part 9. Page number 65. Okay, children? Same and different. Same and different. Our topic is same and different. Same means, see, these two fingers are same. Okay? Same fingers. See, this, okay, these two are same. This finger is big, this finger is small now. Difference is there in between these two fingers. This finger is tall. This finger is short. You can see the difference now? Okay. See, different means, see, this is a white color, this is a blue color. Different colors. Yes? We say different colors. Like this, we are learning the same and the different. Okay? See, this is, what is this? What is this? This is a cat. This is a duck. These both animals, these two animals are same? No. This is a bird. This is a pet animal. These both are different now? These are the different animals. Okay. I will show you this. See these chalk pieces? These chalk pieces. 1, 2, 3. 3 chalk pieces are same in color. These 3 are same color. See. I will show one thing. See, these chalk pieces you see, children? These are same color chalk pieces? No, these are different colors. See, pink color, white color, yellow color, blue color. These are the different colors. Okay? And these are the same color chalks. These both are same color and these 4 are different colors. See, same means it will be same in color, same in size, everything will be same. Different means it will be different in colors, different in sizes, it will be like that. Different, these are different, these are same. Okay, see this pencil. See, this is a brown, this is a blue, this is a brown. This is a different, no? Blue color is a different color in this two. These both are same and this is a different color. See, I am keeping here different color. Which is a different color? This is a different color pen. This is a different color pen. These two colors are same. These two are brown and this is a blue color. You know, I think you all understood the difference and same. These are the different. These two are the same. Same means it will be same. Different means someone is different in that. This is the different is. Okay, children. Now open the page number 65. Open the term book, children. Required things. Take out your term book, pencil, eraser. Take your term book. Page number 65. See page number 65, children. Page number 65. Open this book. See here. See the heading. S-A-M-E, same. A-N-D, and. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. Same and different. See, these two dogs are same. See this color? These dogs are same. See, these both are different. One is brown, one is different variety, one is different variety. See here, these dogs are different now. These two dogs are same. Okay, you see these two flowers are same and these flowers are different colors. Different flowers are here. Okay? Okay. Look at the board once. Look at the board. See, children, this is a chart. In this, see this line. See, this is a strawberry, this is a mango. Which is a different food in this? Strawberry, mango, strawberry. Which is a different here? Banana is a different, no? See, banana is a different in this. Banana is different in this. See here, apple is there. These all guavas are there. This apple is different now. See, this apple is looking different. See, grapes. watermelon, watermelon, strawberry, watermelon, watermelon. Which fruit is different in this? The strawberry is different in this. See, mango, banana, apples. This is apple, this is apple, apple, apple. Grapes. Which is the different in this set? It is. See, grapes are the different one. Okay, I hope you all understood different and same. See children, this apple, apple, apple. These three are apple. This is the grape. Which is the different here? Which is the different fruit? Three apples are there. One grape is there. Which is the different? Which is one different? One is this is the grape is the different. See, I am circling the grape. In this see, one tree, two trees, three trees are there. One ball is there. Which is the different here? In this set, which is the different thing? Different thing means this ball is a different now. That's why I am circling this. Okay? I hope you all understood children. Now open the page number 66. Page number 66 children. Page number 66. Activity open. See, circle the picture that is different. You have to circle the picture that is different. See here. See this flowers. As it is, I pasted on the board. See, sunflower is there, marigold is there, sunflower, sunflower. Which is a different flower is here? Which is a different one? This is a different one. Circle the different one. Come on, circle with a pencil. Catch the pencil and circle this marigold flower. Circle like this, right? Circle this one. Circle this. This is a different flower now. Circle the picture which are absolutely insane. See, which is the same. Which are the same? You have to circle. Circle. Which are the same here? See, look at the board. This tiger is same. This is same. And which is the same? This is the same. Which is the different here? Lion is different. Come on, circle this. Circle the pictures which are exactly the same. Which are the same pictures? You have to circle it. See, here we circle the different one. Here we are circling the same animals. These three are same animals, no? That's why we are circling the same animals. Okay, which is the different we are not circling. Here we are circling which is the different. Okay children? Understood? I hope you all understood. Parents, please show them which things are there available in the house. Just you should take two big eating food plates. Show 3 plates, big plates, and show them one small plate in that. Which is a different plate? Better you ask them. They will identify. They should identify. Okay, parents, please. Whatever is there in your house, take the things and show them the different and the same. Take 2 glasses, same glasses. Water glasses you take 2, 3. Take one tea glass. Tea glass will be small now. Show which is the different here, which are the same. Ask them to show. Please make them to identify. Parents, they require your help. They need your help. Parents, please help your child and show them whatever is they will see in the house. They should be asking. They should get the interest of topic. They should get the interest. They should be interested to ask questions. You make them like that. If they used to be in the school, we used to show many things, different things. We used to take them to the playground. We used to show different balls, different flowers, different fruit, trees. We used to show. Please, whatever things are there in the house, please try to explain them what is the same one, which is the different one. Please, they need your help. They are too small to understand. They need our help. If we will help now, they will come up very well. They need your help. Parents, please take care of your child and make them understand all this. Whatever it is, take 2 big spoons and take 1 teaspoon and ask them which is a different spoon in this. Many things you can show in the house. Many things will be available in the house. We can show them. Please help them. Shall I tell in Telugu? Dear parents, show the different things in the house. Whatever is available in the house, please show them. Difference means what? They should know the meaning of different. They should know you tell the meaning, you explain. I cannot tell Telugu in Hindi, but what is your mother tongue? You should explain them in your mother tongue. Meaning, they should know the meaning. Different meaning, same meaning. If they understand the different meaning and same meaning, easily they will catch it up. Okay parents, please take down the homework, do page number 67 in term book. See, this is the page number 67 in term book. Color the heavier object and red. Which is the heavier object? Which is the heavy? You have to write color with red. Light object blue. Tall animal yellow. See, which is the heavier object? Heavy object. Giraffe is the heavy object, no? You have to color with the red. Giraffe should be colored with the red. And light object with blue. Which is the light object? Leaves. Leaves are light object. This is also light object. Yes. Tall animal with yellow exists. Tall animal with yellow. This is the heavier, no? This is the heavier, no? Do with red. Tall animal yellow. Tall animal, they should color giraffe with the yellow. Longer object green. Longer object with green and short animal pink. Which is a short animal? This is a short animal. They should color with the pink. Light object with green. Leaves should be green. See this. Read this and make them to do. Okay parents? Okay. I am showing the colors. You make them to do like this. Read the question. Again I will read. Color the heavy object with red. Which is the heaviest one? You should color with the red. Light object blue. Very light object blue. Tall animal giraffe. Color with yellow. Long object green. Which is a long object? This is a green. And short animal. Which is a short animal here? Dog is there. Dog we should color with the pink. I hope you all understood, children. Your parents will give the crayons. You have to do the coloring. Do it properly. Don't scribble and don't spoil the book. Do it very well. Okay children, we are going to give the stars. Okay, we'll meet you in the next video. Parents, please guide your child. Please help them. We'll meet you in the next video. Okay, bye. Thank you. Take care.